guys, I'm here in Costco again, and it's 9:30 in the morning, so it's not yet an hour after they open, but parking lot is so full already. Grabe, I can't find a parking spot, so layo-layo ta nag-parking. See, oh, tignan mo, tanawa. Puno. So guys, I think this is all I'm gonna buy. So mga 200 yun siguro ni. So may dumpling si Inday. Gusto niya yung gyoza dumpling. Tapos mga school snack nila. Tapos protein shake, water, blanket, di kay baga. And then this is like a 3-pack of chicken, which is pinaka cheapest na ganing 34.50. And then kanisha is about $20. Shampoo, conditioner, Dara 150. Eggplant. And then this one is 2-pack siya na sweet kale, vegetable salad. And then I have egg here, egg. So bisag maura na guys, ano po na siya, almost 200, mga 200 jud. Huwag pa kung human, mangunit pa ko snack sa kids. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna have this. This is $23.49. So ang ilahang dads is on sale, which is that one. So I don't know, tagbong po mga bataan eh. Maybe I should buy one. And then ako malupog na. And then I'm actually debating if I'm gonna have that, because this one is actually high in sodium, man. So $16.99. Because I came here for my kids' snack, so barely lang kumarig-diri. Anyways, I'll see. So 30 minutes lang ako doon. I'm done. So medyo ubay-ubay po ako napalit, mga 200. Actually 190. So I gotta go home now. It's almost 11 o'clock in the morning. 10:55. Okay. I love Costco, guys. I still have no sleep. I gotta sleep. Ang isa ta sa trabaho ni Palalab kay nagpapalit og food. Okay. Costco is just behind Coca-Cola. Ang sa trabaho ni akong gikwaan ang iyahang ang akong gipalit. Costco, but just when I exited the Costco and I started this video, and then my husband's work is just here now, right there. Wala pa ko'y tulog, guys. Right there. That's his workplace. So I have to go to the front. Okay, he's going on break. kinagwapuhang bana. Nara oh. So go na ko. Bye bye my love, my love. Kita na taon niya. Wala po itulog. So, parking lot nila ni. So I gotta go now. Ciao. So that's behind my husband's work. So we're gonna go. Nana na lang. Para na ako'y camera kay my camera in the car is broken. I don't know what happened. It always say malfunction. I mean failure. So wala ra pud dag nag car camera ani. So my drive home will take probably 15 minutes from here because I'm not in a rush. Usually when I'm in a rush, it probably take me 12 minutes. That's why he has a truck now in replacement of the car that he had right off. Just right here he had an accident. There's 3 cars involved, I think. Degrees Celsius and it's now 11:10. Wala pa'y tulog. So by the time I get home, tulog agad because the entire night I was working 12 hours and now wala pa tulog. But I have 3 days off starting today. Today is Friday, payday. So nag-proceed ta, bayad pud mga bills. A bit excited for the cruise coming up for us. I hope na di ba ma-jinx ba? So the Lord bless us with our plan of going cruise. So para ma-enjoy naman especially when we go with our friends na napilang mga friends. So see, that's a lot, 80 km/h the speed in this white mud. So dire-diretso lang siya, so no stoplight. So now I'm gonna exit to 34th Street. So I merged White Mud Drive from 91st Street because I went to Costco, and now I am exiting 34th Street towards our house. So exiting here is 60 km/h na. So yun. But it's a good spot because it's a good spot in our car, but it's not that stable because wiggle siya, it's okay. So that's fine. Init na kaayo. Residentials na. So tuol na sa among balay. Just earlier when I was on my way home, I'm like so sleepy that I would fall asleep like a split second, like literally a split second. I would fall asleep in a stoplight because I was so sleepy, and now wala pa gyapon matulog. So because I got off work at 7 in the morning, but I was able to get out of work like 7:10 because no, I wasn't in a rush anyways. And then I had to whip gas because my car was only like almost 1/4 na natira sa gas, so I had to go gas this morning. So our gas was like $1.509 dollar per liter. So $50, $51.65 po lang akong gas. $51.65, and then after that I had to drive through McDonald's because para di na ako magluto for lunch for the kids, para ilang bawon. So that's the school sa among silingan nga public school, junior high nga ayaw. Jaden won't want to go, so that's why Jaden is going to the Catholic. That's the field that we always go. We always walk. So now sud na ta sa among balay. Sa among balay, sa among balay. Sa among compound. Gwapo man yung compound naman, guys. Although the houses here are not so big, but they are decent. And see, it's not like they're not like townhouse, they're like single house. So decent yung lugar na to, and also it's close to all the establishments, like, you know, the schools, malls, grocery stores, and stuff. Like, yeah, they're close. So I have to go at the back. Like we just passed by our house, but I have to go at the back because I'm gonna park in our garage. So that's the walk. So now I'm here. So I have to back up because if I don't back up, it's hard to get out. because you won't see cars coming. So I gotta go move back up, back up. Okay, we're here in our garage now. We're here na, guys. Oh, I'm gonna close my car. Yes. So, ang bikes nila. Bike ni Jaden and bike ni Daddy. This bike is expensive. I think I bought this maybe 4 years ago. I bought this bike for $1,800. And we have this, ready for camping. And this one is second-hand in town ni Tita Kong, bigay ni Jaden. So yeah, that's. Then we have freezer in our garage, guys, because hindi ma-fit na sa bahay. So all in these freezers are all fish. So the freezer we have in our basement is mga meat. So yeah, ayan. Tapos, so this one we have ready for open town magamit kay gitapol. And then this is our we always bring this when we travel far, because this is maraming gamit na rice rabani, because when we went to the Airbnb sa Igagaw ni Django, we were gonna bring rice for them, but they bought rice. So yeah, this is used for charging, also for the battery, booster battery. And then yeah, so very nice outside. It's very nice. See, very nice. So Daddy make this for Jaden, and then winter time, siya, yung basket niya wala na kasi hindi pala nagtagal pagka cold and hot. So anyways, that's it, guys. So yung spot ni mo ni sa para sa truck sa akong banana. So this one is our, sorry I'm not done. So this one is our a snow blower. So and then yung guitar ko nawala na, i-dispatch ko na yan. And then yeah, so left over sa among floor. And then this one is really gonna be useful when we go for camping or stuff like that. So yeah, anyways, time to go inside now. See you later, alligator in a wild crocodile. Very nice. So all I bought, and it cost me $190. Yung 40 pieces of mineral water in bottles still in my car kay bugat baya. So nakoy 3-pack chicken, and this is like $35. Tapos ang eggs, tapos ang gyoza dumplings na gusto ni Jaira. This is a protein shake, strawberry flavor, and then 2-pack sweet kale na then dads, and then duha na ka box akong gipalit ana nga cookies or yung snack ni Jaden. And then kung ano siya, eggplant, lain nga klase ng eggplant, but I like it kasi malinis-linis. And then top dog kay si Jara nag-request kasi nag-run out na. And then I like this one because this one is for our blanket na mo ni kay di na kayo bugnaw. So di kayo siya makapal. So taon na 190 na siya. Yung water, $190 times mga 41 pesos. Okay, anyway, thank you pa rin sa grasya at nakabili. Thank you, everyone.